How to fix invalid character object culture detected in Bannerlord. Welcome back to Teknobalta. Mount and Blade Roman 2. Bannerlord is a massive game with complex character and culture data, but occasionally, the engine breaks down with the invalid character object culture detected error. During our investigation into this specific crash, Teknobalta's technical team discovered that this issue typically triggers when a specific lord, NPC, or modded unit loses its cultural XML references within your save file. Our testing showed that this often happens out of nowhere, completely halting your campaign progression. After running our comprehensive diagnostics, we have compiled the ultimate list of solutions to save your playthrough. Our first and most effective fix involves identifying and removing the specific corrupted lord from your game world. Teknobalta's analysis revealed that a single bugged noble can cause the culture detection sequence to fail for the entire map. To fix this, you must locate the exact character causing the crash and use the developer console to eliminate them permanently. To execute this targeted removal, you must first enable cheat mode in your game configuration files. Navigate to your Documents folder, open the Mount and Blade Roman 2 Bannerlord directory, and edit the engine.config txt file. Change the cheat mode value from 0 to 1, and save the document. Once cheat mode is active, load your game and press the tilde key to open the developer console. Type the command campaign.killhero followed by the name of the corrupted lord to remove them from the active character pool. We tested this fix and confirmed it immediately resolves the culture crash in most corrupted save files. If eliminating a specific character does not work, our team determined that the detailed character creation mod is a frequent culprit for this error. This mod alters how the game reads character visual and cultural data, leading to severe engine conflicts. We highly recommend disabling this mod in your launcher to see if the game stabilizes. After removing any character modification mods, you might still experience crashes due to lingering scripts in your save file. To solve this, you need to use a dedicated save file cleaner tool to purge unreferenced data blocks. Our technical deep dive shows that cleaning orphaned culture ID prevents the engine from calling missing game assets. Another critical step is to verify the integrity of your game files through your gaming client. Sometimes, the core native culture XML files become corrupted or go missing during an automatic patch rollout. Right-click Bannerlord in your library, navigate to the Installed Files section, and initiate a full verification scan. Teknobalta's testing also highlighted that an improper load order for core dependencies can easily trigger the invalid culture error. Ensure that Harmony, ButterLib, UIExtend X, and mod configuration menu are loaded at the absolute top of your launcher list. The game engine requires these frameworks to initialize completely before loading any custom cultures. It is equally important to completely purge outdated custom culture mods from your game directory. Mods like Calradia Expanded or Custom Troop Trees introduce new culture ID that instantly break when the base game updates. Manually delete these folders from your module's directory rather than just disabling them in the interface. During our lab tests, we found that clearing the compiled shaders and cache can force the game to rebuild its entire asset index. Navigate to the ProgramData folder on your system drive and delete the Mount and Blade Roman 2 Bannerlord cache directory entirely. Restarting the game will take slightly longer, but it ensures no corrupted culture data is loaded from memory. If your save file heavily relies on an older module format, rolling back your game version might be the only viable solution. Access the beta participation menu in your platform client and select the exact game version you used when starting the campaign. Our experience confirms this often instantly bypasses the culture detection crash sequence. For advanced diagnostics, installing the Better Exception Window mod is a crucial step we utilize in the Teknobalta testing labs. This tool replaces the generic crash reporter with a detailed stack trace, pinpointing the exact item, troop, or script causing the engine failure. Knowing the exact error string allows you to delete the problematic asset directly from the game world. Sometimes the error is exclusively caused by corrupted wanderers or companions generating in the dynamic tavern spawn pools. You can use the developer console command campaign, destroy party, or specifically purge companions from the global world map. Resetting the available companion pool forces the game engine to generate new NPCs with valid culture tags. If you are developing your own mods, we discovered that missing entries in the SP cultures XML file are a guaranteed way to trigger this crash. You must thoroughly cross-reference your custom XML files to ensure every single character class has a valid culture ID assigned. A single typo in the initialization code will break the entire character object sequence. To isolate whether the issue is tied to your specific save file or your overall installation, start a brand new sandbox campaign. Keep your exact current mod list active and observe if the crash replicates during the initial loading screen. If the new game works flawlessly, your previous save file has suffered irreversible script corruption. We also strongly advise temporarily disabling any comprehensive troop overhaul mods, such as My Little Warband. These modifications fundamentally alter how vanilla culture trees are structured and assigned to various factions. Removing them allows the engine to revert to native troop tables, often bypassing the invalid object check entirely. In cases where the game still fails, there may be ghost mod subscriptions lingering in your hidden workshop directory. Navigate to your local Steam Workshop folder, locate the directory numbered 261550, and manually delete its entire contents. This manual wipe forces a clean redownload of only your actively subscribed and fully updated mods. Finally, if every diagnostic step fails, Teknobalta recommends performing a completely clean installation of the game. Uninstall Bannerlord through your client, but critically, manually delete the leftover installation folder to remove any residual corrupted XML files. Reinstalling the game from scratch guarantees that all character objects and culture parameters are perfectly restored to factory defaults. Don't forget to follow Teknobalta for more.